Hi, my name is Philip King and welcome to this video lesson, how to add a PayPal Buy Now button to WordPress. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal Buy Now button in less than 5 minutes. Once we have the button code from PayPal, I'll show you a very simple way of pasting it into your WordPress website. Before you begin to create a Buy Now button, you need a PayPal Business or Premier account. As these accounts are free, that shouldn't pose any problems. If you've sold anything on eBay, then you already have the necessary account. The link to PayPal, where you can create an account, is given below the video and is also on my website. So once you have your account, log in and navigate to Merchant Services on the top menu bar. Click on it and the Merchant Services page will appear. Before we begin, let me warn you. PayPal are continually changing their screen layouts. So if the screen you see when you log in is different to the ones you see here, don't worry about it. The information is still valid. As you can see, on their current merchant page, PayPal's payment methods are quite comprehensive and should suit most businesses. You can create payment buttons for your website, connect PayPal to your shopping cart, send invoices online. They also have a new app which allows you to accept credit card payments anywhere using a card reader. As we will be creating a payment button for a website, when you've finished exploring, click the Buy Now button. Scroll down the page to step 1, choosing a button type, and click the Create a Buy Now button link. This will open the Create a PayPal Payment Button page. In the Choose a Button Type drop-down menu, you can select several button types such as shopping cart, donations, gift certificate, subscriptions, etc. But in this case we just want the Buy Now button. For an explanation of the button types, just click on the Which Button Should I Choose link. For this example, I'm going to sell the book Call Apple in Depth, all about Apple Ratatouille by Don Lancaster. This is just one of several old books I have, but of course you can sell anything. So in the item name field, enter the item name, Call Apple in Depth, all about Apple Ratatouille by Don Lancaster in this case. You can also give an item ID number if you wish, to make tracking easier, but this is optional, so I'm not going to bother. If you have a single fixed price, then go ahead and enter a price in the price field. Make sure the correct currency is selected. If you need a multiple price structure, then leave this field blank and click the Add drop-down menu with Prices and Options selection box. You would use this option if you are selling items with selection permutations, for example shirts. They could be white, red, green, etc., or different sizes. Just enter a title for the drop-down menu, followed by your option parameters and prices. Again, don't forget to select the correct currency. Click the Done button when you've finished. You can see your customer's view of the menu in the panel to the right. I'm just selling the one item, so the multiple options panel isn't required. Next, enter any shipping charges in the box provided. To accept payments, if you don't have a PayPal merchant account, just use your PayPal primary email address, as I will be doing in this case. Step 2, Tracking Inventory Profit and Loss, is optional and we will not be using it in this example. This is where you would track your items if you provided an ID number with your item name. Step 3, Customize Advanced Features, is also optional but does have a few nice features we can use. You can let your customers order more than one item, for example, and let's face it, why wouldn't you want to do this? You can also allow your customers to send you special instructions, and of course you want your customer's shipping address even if you're selling digital items. The next two fields are quite important, don't forget them. These fields give you the opportunity to continue interacting with your customer. In the first field, enter a URL for the page you want your customer to go to if they decide to cancel their order. Sending them back to the home page or sales page would be a good idea. In the second field, enter a URL for the page you want the customer to go to after they have placed their order. This could be a thank you page, an acknowledgement page, or simply back to the sales page to let them continue shopping. If you are selling a downloadable digital product, then this would be the page where they can either download the product or get details on how to download the product. In this exercise, we can forget about the advanced variables. If you want to know more about this, just click the Learn More link. With your entries complete, just click the Create button. This will take you to the next page where you can see the button code ready for pasting onto your website. There are two sets of code to choose from, your website code and an email code, both of which can be encrypted to prevent fraudulent use. We're only interested in the website code, so select and copy the code to the clipboard. You can press the Ctrl+C key to copy the code. Now obviously you need a page or post where you can paste the code. So for this demonstration I've prepared a test page where I can paste the PayPal button code. This would normally be your sales or squeeze page containing some pictures and a description of the item for sale. Notice I've placed a text marker, Insert PayPal Button, where I want the button to appear. This will help me locate the button code placement in HTML view. So I'm ready to insert the PayPal code. As I said, this has to be done in HTML view. If you try pasting the code into the page in the visual view, all the special characters in the code will be lost and the code will simply not work. Switch to HTML view and find the text marker. Delete the marker and paste the PayPal code. This is where the button will appear. If we switch back to the visual view, we should see our PayPal button, and there it is. Let's save the page and preview the results in the browser. And there's our Buy Now button. If we click the button, we will be redirected to PayPal, where we will be presented with our order form. Changing the quantity and clicking the Update link will test the operation of the form for us. And there it is. The form has been updated and is working as expected. If a customer has a PayPal account, they would simply enter their details on the right. If they don't have a PayPal account, they would click the Pay with Credit or Debit Card link and be presented with the alternate payment method page. That's credit cards or debit cards. Well, that's all for this video. As I said before, the links to PayPal and my website are below the video. I hope you found something interesting and useful and enjoyed the video. If you did, then please share with others and click the like button.